Okay, so basically, I'm having a no crank, no start with my 2004 Grand Prix. You know, we put the key in, turn it, try to start it, nothing happens. But this light pops up. No lights, no nothing. Nothing's on. What I really suggest is with a lot of Grand Prix and Monte Carloses and them type cars, is the main issue with them cars be the battery. But what I suggest with this problem, that you check all your fuses first before anything. Make sure you haven't blown a fuse or nothing. You can check the fuses right here. You got fuses on your passenger side, on the side door panel. Check these fuses, make sure nothing is blown, because before my car stopped, I had a lot of lights going on. Like I had a service system light, I had a braking system light, brake service light, I had a charging failure. I had a charging failure light that came on, that was coming on in this car. So what I really think it is I think it's this battery, because when I tried to get a jump, I wasn't getting any spark to it. Like, it wasn't getting no type of power to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge this battery, and we gonna go from there, because I really think this battery, well, the battery is the main power source to these type of cars. So when I ain't seeing nothing cut on, no lights or nothing, I'm guessing it's the battery, most likely. So yeah, we gonna try to get that battery charged up, or get a new battery or something. And yes, this is a 2004 Grand Prix. Starts up fine and everything, supercharged. Well, it was starting up just fine and everything, but what I'm suggesting, if you're not getting any type of power source to your car, you should mainly try diagnosing your battery. So that's it. That's the first thing. First thing is to check the fuses, make sure nothing is blown, everything's good. Second thing is to check the battery. Make sure the battery is charged up and everything, is fine with the battery. And yeah, if you're having problems with it, I suggest that you find a good mechanic and just tell them what you think going on. And then we got this red light. I don't know what the fuck that is, but yeah. 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix.